So here come the most exciting part is signing up for the eBay account. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how to sign up so you don't have to make any kind of mistake. I'm going to show you all the process on the screen right here as well. So just simply go to Google first and type eBay sign up because we are signing up, not signing in. We're just going to sign up right here. And once you are right here, what you want to do is just click on register on the top right here. You click on register and then it gives you two options, personal account and a business account. As I said, I mean, if you bought this course, like you are serious about selling on eBay, you don't want to get rid of the stuff which is sitting inside the house. You are selling on eBay to make money. So business account will be absolutely something that you need. And business name is something, if you registered a limited company, you're going to put the exact name right here. If you're a sole trader, you can pick the business name for yourself as you had make sure the name is available everywhere. So later if you want to register a limited company under same name, you want to keep that at the same time as well. So for example, the business name I'm going to choose is Techno Tech, just for the purpose of this tutorial. We created the email address already, which I said zenebaycourse at gmail.com, which will be, in your case, you're going to create whatever you're going to create. And also, the password can be anything. It doesn't have to be, obviously, you pick the password for yourself. You're not going to pick the one I'm going to tell you. So pick the password for yourself here as well. I'm just gonna, put one, and the business location is United Kingdom. What I'm gonna do is just gonna click the register, and then it's gonna ask me that they have sent some kind of code to my email address, which I have to come and verify right here. So quickly, I'm gonna jump on to my email, and I'm gonna open that one uh, so I can actually, verify my email address for that one. So once you go inside your email, you will see that the code gonna come up here, which is 2023 3325, which is 2033 25, I think. Yes. So I'm gonna put that and just verify, and this will get verify as well. The username, you have to pick a username. It says optional, but I will say pick the username, secure it for yourself as well right here as well, because that will be something that your once you do the messaging back and forth with your buyer, this is the name that we'll see. So I'm just gonna use the same one, Techno Tech. In your case, it can be, anything that might not be available. You can't use the spaces inside. That might not be available, but you will be able to, like, do, like, put the number, like in my case I put 01. You will be able to, like, secure it for yourself, and that's what you want to do in this case as well. And then we go continue, and then we are obviously on to the next step right here. So what is asking you to do is, are you are a limited company or you are a sole trader? Okay, the process is going to be very much same for both of them. It's not going to be different in any circumstances as well. So if you are a limited company, you select that one. If you are a sole trader, you're gonna select that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my sole trader thing right here. So I'm just gonna, okay, I manage my business as a sole trader or owner. That's what I'm gonna name. If you are a limited company, just click on yes, my business is a limited entity, and you're just gonna select a company that you name your business as a company. And the rest of the steps are actually same for both of them, are not going to be any different. So I'm just gonna, so I am a sole trader for the purpose of this video, and I'm just gonna go continue, and I it will takes me here to the seller account right here as well. Here they're gonna need all the information. So first name I'm gonna put Zan. I don't have a middle name, so I'm gonna put Zan Shah. And for the purpose of address, So if you are a limited company, you're going to put the address where your limited company was registered. You have to put that address. If you are a sole trader, that address is not going to be public, so you can use your home address as well. So whatever is going to be your home address, in my case, I'm just going to add, let's say, 138D. uh, that was the shop which I had before. I'm just going to use that for the sake of so in my case, I'm just gonna use this one. Like I had a shop before, and I'm just gonna use 63 Kingsland High Street. So this is the shop I had before. I'm just gonna use that one. And for the county, it is Greater London. Whatever will apply to you. That's what obviously you're gonna pick in your case. So we are right here. The phone number is obviously the one you gonna have attached with your account. So this is something that you will be able to. I mean, I can send you the SIM card as I mentioned before in the last video, or you can just if you took a SIM card from there, that you will be able to pick. So we are right here. We just have to put the phone number right here. So I'm just gonna put the phone number. So here the phone number for the business. You wanna put the mobile number because they will send you a text message and stuff as well. So I'm just gonna put this one 7399 857 403. That's it. And then what they wanna do is they wanna text you on the phone number. And because they have to verify that you are the person is using the same number at the same time. I'm recording this, so the security code gonna pop up inside your text message as well. My one is 3673. That's the one come up as well. And underneath that one, as let me move this one right here so you will be able to see. Underneath that one, here is it is asking you to put the date of birth. So once you put the code, just click on continue. Phone number is verified. You need to put your date of birth. And I'm gonna put 1186. That's not mine. I'm just using it for the sake of tutorial. So don't steal my identity, okay? Okay, so once we come right here, then it is for the business address. Again, I'm gonna put the same one. If you're a limited company, you're gonna put the same one from there as well. 63 Kingsland High Street. So that's the one I'm gonna use right here. This is the county is going to be London, and that's the one right here. We go to the seller. The next one is gonna take me to right here now. So once we come to next one, and then what we need to do is we can either enter it manually, or we can just log into my bank account and we can actually just, do it verification process from there as well, because eBay, they will be sending a payments to your bank account. You can't use the PayPal no longer inside. So what I recommend, and you can completely trust eBay, is the system. I will normally just log into my bank account and I can just use this one, and once I log into my bank account, they can verify I am the one actually using the bank account as well. Or you can just use it manually as well, but I don't recommend putting manually. Just put the account, then they will have to do the verification might not go through all that kind of process as well. So it's just simply, you know go through, put that one, the things one, and they're asking, they might need like a bank statement from you as well. So they just gonna check the name and address and everything with the bank, but instantly just simply log into your bank account, and they can verify you logged in, so you will be fine. But all the things will be secure, you don't have to worry about that one. As soon you do this one, the next step is just confirm, like you join in the eBay account, and this is all is about signing up process as a business account. It's simple as that, nothing much going on right there, because we have all the things that we have actually talked about before going into this one.